EG Solutions is a back office optimization software company, and we'll explain a bit more about what that does later on. But nevertheless, what it does do is actually improve the performance of the bottom line. A trading update has just been issued, and it's looking at a pleasing return to profitability, and also revenues are substantially higher. Let's talk to Elizabeth Gooch now, who is the founder and CEO of EG Solutions. So I know we've talked in the past, and last year was almost a kind of period of consolidation of turning it round. Is this a vindication that your plan is working?
Yeah, I think it's a vindication or validation actually of the plans from a couple of years prior to 2013, when we started to make some fairly substantial investments in the fundamentals of our business in order to achieve global growth scale. These sort of investments take time to come to fruition, and should have done in 2013. We were a bit delayed, but 2014 has absolutely validated that those strategies were the right things to do.
And perhaps the most significant figure, I mean, certainly looking at the trading statement, is the fact that you have really turned it round to a profit very quickly and by a considerable amount.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it is a profitable business, and it is a cash generative business. So if you do the right things on the top line, then it does filter through to the bottom line quite quickly and quite dramatically. We were helped massively by 10 customer wins during the year, which was pretty phenomenal compared with our previous track record, which had been 3 to 4 new customer wins on the average in a year. So it definitely helped, by those customer wins. But once we've got the business, we are very good at delivering what we've sold and turning that into profits and cash for our shareholders.
Yeah, so it is actually working on both fronts. You're getting new business in considerable amounts, but also, I think that the other figure that's significant is the recurring revenues are up 69% year on year.
Yeah, that was one of the fundamental changes that we made in 2012. We launched the managed cloud service proposition, which essentially is our software provided on a hosting platform for our customers, along with some packaged services. And we sell that on a 3-year contract basis. So that's given us a lot of visibility. And obviously we took a hit in 2012 because of that, not selling perpetual licenses, selling hosting. But that has resulted now in an order book for about £50 million over the next 3 to 4 years. So 50% of our revenues going into this financial year were already contracted. So we've got nice build up there of recurring revenues on which to build with the one-off stuff that happens during the year, and obviously more hosting contracts as well. So all good.
Yeah. So we've talked about this is kind of consolidation. You're turning it round. Now you seem to be poised for the next phase. What is that? What's the business plan?
Well, just before Christmas, you may have seen the announcements, Nigel. We completed a placing. We raised 3 million net. That is all about investing in sales and marketing and distribution of our product, a little bit more in product development so that we can maintain our technical leadership position from a market perspective, but it really is about executing and getting our product out into the market globally. So lots more on the sales front. I think it's fair to say in the past that we had to invest more in product than we had money available to invest in sales. So we clearly got the results that we deserved during that period. But our new board is very focused on, matching investment into product with investment into distribution as well. So we're definitely seeing the benefit of that too.
All right, Elizabeth Gooch, thank you very much indeed for joining us. Elizabeth is the CEO and the founder of EG Solutions.
Thank you.